Qualify your leads in seconds, not hours. In this tutorial, I walk you through a complete lead scoring automation built in n8n that reads new leads from Google Sheets, scores them from 0 to 100 across 5 weighted criteria, writes the results back to your spreadsheet, and instantly alerts your sales team when a high-value prospect enters the pipeline. Warm leads are automatically added to a nurture list so nothing falls through the cracks. Every lead that enters your pipeline is either making you money or wasting your time. The problem is, most businesses can't tell the difference fast enough. This workflow changes that. It automatically scores every new lead from 0 to 100 across 5 weighted criteria, and alerts your sales team the instant a high-value prospect appears. Research shows that responding within the first 5 minutes makes you 21 times more likely to convert. This system runs every 15 minutes, so you never miss that window. Let's break it down, node by node. Our workflow begins with the Check New Leads node. This is a schedule trigger configured to fire every 15 minutes, around the clock. Every quarter hour, it kicks off the entire scoring pipeline. The interval is strategic, frequent enough for near real-time alerts, but not so aggressive that you burn through API limits. From there, the data flows into the Read Unscored Leads node. This Google Sheets node connects to your lead tracking spreadsheet and pulls every row where the score column is still empty. By filtering for blank scores, the workflow never processes the same lead twice. Now we arrive at the heart of the system, the score calculator. This is a code node running custom JavaScript that evaluates each lead across 5 weighted criteria, for a total of 100 points. First is the job title score, worth up to 30 points. C-level titles like CEO, founder, or VP get the full 30. Mid-level roles like manager or director get 15. Everyone else gets 5. For example, Sarah Wilson as VP of Sales at Enterprise Solutions earns the full 30 here. Second is the source score, worth up to 25 points. High-intent sources like referral, demo request, or inbound get 25. Organic or social traffic gets 12. Sarah came through a demo request, so she picks up another 25. Third is the company size score, worth up to 20 points. Companies with 100+ employees get the full 20. 50+ get 10. Below that, 3. Sarah's company has 1,200 employees, so that's the maximum 20 points. Fourth is the email domain score, worth up to 15 points. Corporate email domains get 15. Free providers like Gmail or Yahoo get just 2. Sarah uses a corporate domain, so she earns 15. Compare that to Mike Jones, who uses a Gmail address, he only gets 2. Fifth is the company name score, worth up to 10 points. If the lead provided a company name, they get 10. If it's empty, 0. Mike Jones has no company listed, so he scores nothing here. After summing all 5 criteria, the code caps the score at 100 and assigns a segment. 80 or above is hot. 40 to 79 is warm. Below 40 is cold. Sarah scores near the top of the scale. Mike scores 32, cold. Next, the data moves to the write score to sheet node. This Google Sheets node updates the original row with the calculated score and segment, matching on email as the unique identifier. This closes the loop. The next time the trigger fires, scored leads are automatically skipped. Then comes the hot lead node. This IF node checks if the score is 80 or above. If true, it triggers the hot lead alert email. This Gmail node sends a branded HTML notification to your sales team, with a dynamic subject line like, Hot Lead, 95 out of 100, Sarah Wilson at Enterprise Solutions. The email includes a score display, full contact breakdown, and a one-click button to email the lead directly. If the score is below 80, the data passes to the warm lead node. This second IF node checks if the score is 40 or above. If true, it flows into the Add to Nurture list node. This Google Sheets node appends warm leads to a separate Nurture tab, logging their email, name, company, score, segment, and timestamp. This gives your marketing team a clean list for drip campaigns and retargeting. Cold leads remain in the main sheet with their score recorded, but no further action is taken. This workflow is a cornerstone of scalable sales operations, but it's just the beginning. You can get this exact template, along with 39 other premium automation workflows for n8n, Make, and Zapier completely for free, by sharing our mission on social media. If you're serious about mastering these systems, join us inside the arena. The first automation marketplace, where you can list your own workflows, compete for clients, and build real income from your automation skills. Founding member spots are available at just $9 a month, instead of $49. We have a $20,000 prize pool for top contributors. Head to school.com/elegance-arena-7123, lock in your spot, and I'll see you inside the arena.